Thank you.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding.
Buenos días. La Corte de 36 Distrito está ahora empezando con la juez Marlena Taylor.
At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum.
Por ahora no va a haber no se puede fumar, hablar o masticar.
No eating or drinking.
No se puede comer o tomar.
No sleeping or laying down.
No se puede dormir o acostarse.
No driving or riding in a motor vehicle.
Y tampoco podés estar conduciendo o andando en un vehículo de motor.
Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff.
Mantenete en silencio hasta que llaman su nombre.
Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen.
Y mantener su aparato en en algo nivel, así se puede ver su cara.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank my wonderful court officer for making sure that she was slow so the interpreter could make sure she got everything.
Yes, thank you. Always appreciated.
You're welcome.
So now, Madam Interpreter, I'm going to call the case in its entirety and then put it on the record, then I'll swear you in and you can tell me what happened.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antonia Liga. This is ticket P13060055. Count 1, 1 to 5 over. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Also calling ticket number P13060097. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Este es el caso P13060552, andando sobre la velocidad de 1 a 5. SP30605551, que falta de registración. P130-60971, falta de aseguranza. Introducciones, por favor. Paul Faulkner, registro 22994, representando el acusado. Señor, diga su nombre por la acta.
Antonio Zúñiga.
Antonio
Madam
Zúñiga.
Interpreter,
Okay.
thank you. May you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret the Spanish, the
No, usted.
English, and the English to Spanish language to the best of your ability?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down.
Your Honor?
Today? Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Do your,
Go
Yeah.
ahead, Attorney Faulkner.
Well, my name is Antonia. My last name is Vivian. I'm the Spanish English interpreter.
Thank you so much.
Your Honor, there's an offer to make the speeding count 1 to 5 over limited access. The other 2 tickets to be dismissed. My client will be responsible and will stipulate to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea as the basis.
Su señoría, nosotros tenemos una oferta de que la etiqueta de andando a velocidad de 1 a 5 se va a reducir a acceso limitado y los otros 2 cargos se van a renunciar y vamos a estipular a la cara de la etiqueta y mi cliente se va a declarar responsable para esta infracción civil.
Okay, so reading from the ticket on the date of January 27, 2020 in the area of Westport and Stocker.
Entonces, en la fecha de enero 27 del año 22, en la área de de calle Fort y Stocker.
In the city of Detroit, Mr. Zignia was driving a Chevy vehicle and did do limited access 60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone.
Y esto fue en la ciudad de Detroit, y el señor Zuniga hizo acceso limitado que estaba conduciendo 60 en una zona de 55.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
¿Usted
Stipulate the probable
satisfecho?
cause on the other two tickets.
¿Está satisfecho, señor Faulkner? Sí, estoy satisfecho, su señoría, y vamos a estipular para los otros dos cargos en la cara de la etiqueta.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access, 60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone.
Entonces, este tiempo va a entregar la corte el cargo de acceso limitado de 60 en una zona de 55.
And the court will dismiss the remaining tickets per stipulation by counsel.
Y la corte va a renunciar los otros dos tiquetas que fueron estipulados por el abogado.
The fine for this is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that enough time, sir?
Señor, su multa es $125 y te damos 14 días para pagar. ¿Eso es suficiente tiempo para usted, señor?
Sí, sí es suficiente.
Yes, that's sufficient. Thank you.
So it's going to be due on November the 9th, 2022.
Entonces se tiene que pagar antes del 9 de noviembre 2022.
Muy bien.
Very good. Thank you.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
No hay nada más. Usted ya puede colgar y se puede ir de esta audiencia.
¿Dónde tengo que ir a pagar y qué enseño para pagar a dónde? Oh.
So where do I pay this? How do I pay it?
You can either pay it here at the court at 36th District, or you can pay it online at 36thdistrictcourt.org.
Se puede pagar en la corte, en persona, en el mostrador que está adentro, o se puede pagar en línea en el sitio de 36thddistricto.org.
Muy bien, muy bien. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Gracias.
There's nothing further to conclude this hearing. Thank you both so very much.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon. Ya estamos listos. Se puede ir.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Attorney Faulkner, I'm gonna bring in two people so that we can do their matters really quickly.
Okay, Judge.
Ms. Westbrook?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kelly Westbrook. This is V ticket 123129. Count one, any person in custody of an animal shall prevent them from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or potentially dangerous behavior. Also calling V ticket. V ticket 123130. One count failure to provide a leash or responsible person for a dog on owner's property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative.
Froze for a minute.
Your name, Ms. Westbrook?
Kelly Westbrook.
Yeah, there is no offer in this matter. My client's question of bench trial date waives the right to a jury trial.
If so, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Westbrook, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you would like a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna make it for January 24th, okay, 2023. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal.
Could you repeat that date?
return-
You were broken up a little bit, Your Honor, on the date. Couldn't
Okay, I'm
understand you.
sorry. It's January 24th. Attorney Faulkner, is it me or is it, can you hear me, Ms. Westbrook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he's freezing up. Okay, I just want to make sure. 9 a.m. I'm setting your bond at $0 personal. It's gonna be via Zoom, the same way you came in today, come in that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Westbrook. You have a great day, okay?
And you as well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
No, she.
Oh, she said, okay, good. All right, Ms. Witcher. Unmute yourself. I asked Witcher on mute real quick. Now calling the matter of People versus Brandy Witcher. This is you ticket 602-25221. This is one count of, I believe it's trespass. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Brandy Witcher.
All right.
Your Honor, I believe the charge is entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written.
I think he logged off. I think he's having some internet.
Representation. That's not it?
No, it's trespass. She went into the casino and she wasn't supposed to.
Oh, okay.
So it's on a 6-month delay sentence. Ms. Witcher was to have completed 40 hours of community service and stay out of the casino. It's my understanding that today she did complete the 40 hours of community service, and I don't have any other complaints from the casino. So this was under a 6-month delayed sentence. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Witcher, you can't go back to the casino, okay? If you're not welcome, you just can't. Because all they're gonna do is just send another trespass ticket back down to the court, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, this case is dismissed. Good luck to you, ma'am, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I had the green ticket. Sorry, Attorney Faulkner. I knew what it was. So when you said
Oh, that's okay, Judge.
yeah.
I'll be corrected at least once today now, if not more.
Oh, sorry. Ray, you're supposed to have a really good day today. Don't do that to me. All right, you can continue talking to folks if you need to.
Okay, well, I need to talk to Mr. Yates. He just came out of the breakout room. I need him back in there.
Why'd you come out the breakout room?
My signal had dropped, man.
Okay, you gotta go back in, and Mr. Yates, you're gonna have to take that scarf off your head. Do rags. By the time you come back in, okay? You can talk to
Yes,
him.
ma'am.
See, you look just fine without it. All right, now you gotta go back into the room though, okay? Do you know how to get
Yes,
in there?
ma'am. No, I do not.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the room. He was in room
10.
7, 10. Okay, I'll put you back in room 10. It's gonna ask you to go. You see it, sir?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going in with him.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. Ms. Witcher, you're all set. You can sign off, ma'am. You're all set.
Okay, thank you. I wasn't sure.
I know, and I saw you being patient and waiting. You're all set. Your case is dismissed today, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Darius Williams, here for probation violation. Attorney Faulkner. Yeah. I didn't talk. Yeah, I'm doing your ticket right now. But I'm going to be resuming. And look at the trial.
Mr. Yates is ready if the court is ready, Your Honor, for a plea.
All right. Mr. Yates, whatever's in the background, you gotta silence it for right now, okay?
It's down, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stephen Yates. This is ticket number P13044595. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Off on the representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Stephen Darnell Yates.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client would plead guilty to the count of improper plates. The other 2 matters to be dismissed.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, Mr. Yates?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Yates, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody's coming up to you, are they?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I want to take your attention back to the date of January 25th, 2022. Were you in the area of Greenfield and Eaton Streets in the city of Detroit in a Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were in that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
And that just means you didn't register with the Secretary of State's office for that time. That's what improper plates means.
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause on the remaining 2 matters.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of improper plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine for this is $200. How long will it take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right. I'm gonna have to do no later than November 28th, 2022. Okay?
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, Mr. Yates. Have a good day, okay?
You too, man.
I will. Thank you.
I appreciate you.
No problem. You can log off now.
All right.
I think that's all.
Some more offers.
Okay,
And then we have a probation violation for
yes.
Adelius Williams. If you want to speak with him, but then I'll call the probation officer to the court.
Okay, let's minute. That was, what was the first?
Darius Williams, the violation of probation.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I assume that Boffman probably won't be here on the violation. He was his attorney. I'll talk to him, see what's going on.
Okay.
Darius Williams. Darius Williams. Boom, 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 boom.
Attorney Land, did y'all work something out yet?
Your Honor, I believe we're gonna ask for a new date. She's talking over with her boss, Gary Bresnahan, regarding these marijuana cases. So I was just waiting on her to come and tell the court
Okay,
that.
fantastic. I just didn't want to hold you up. So when she
Okay,
comes
no,
back-
you're fine. I
Okay,
like the
okay.
view, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, I just wanted to make sure.
Your Honor, you want to put Mr. Williams in a waiting room until the probation officer appears, or? Your Honor, Mr. Walker is ready if you want to proceed on his. Just asking for an adjournment.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Malcolm Walker. This is ticket SP 1305604. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Malcolm Walker.
Your Honor, my client has acquired his license and he's going to acquire his registration within the next month. I'd ask to adjourn 1 month for him to bring in proper documents.
I don't know if I have a 1 month date. He may have to wait a little bit. My pre-trial dates are January 11th, sir, 2023.
Got it. Okay, so with that, would I be able to, if I were to get my tags renewed and my license already reinstated, I would still be comfortable to drive, right? I would just have to wait for the court
As
date.
long as everything is up to date, you don't have to wait till your court date. That's just so you can take care of the ticket. When you get your license, it's already updated. Now, when you get your tags and everything proper, you'll be fine to drive.
Okay.
You don't have to wait until the court date to be able to drive. You just need to make sure you have everything up to date, or else if you get pulled over, you can get another ticket, right? Okay,
Understood.
so if you're able to produce everything now, though, that's fine, okay?
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you got it, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll see you back. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and it's gonna be at 8:30 a.m., okay?
30. Okay, with the same Zoom link? I'm sorry.
Same Zoom link and
Okay.
everything, okay, via Zoom and everything, so you'll be fine, but yes, once you get everything up to date on the vehicle, you can drive, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem, all right. All right, Mr. Walker, good luck, and I'll see you then. Bring your documentation so they can possibly dismiss this entire ticket, okay?
Absolutely. Dotting the I's, crossing the T's.
All right, fantastic, I'll see you then, okay, sir?
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
You too. All right, Officer Bradfield,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, you ready on Mr. Williams?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bring him in so we can get you out the way, thank you.
Good morning, Probation Officer Bradfield.
Good morning, Counselor.
Okay.
Good morning,
Did you need to
Counselor.
talk to him first,
Good morning.
Attorney Parker?
I'm sorry, Judge?
Did you need to talk to Attorney Officer Bradfield first?
No, we'll hear what he has to say very shortly. So.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darius Williams. This is Z ticket 8085051. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. This is a date and time set for a probation violation hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with Probation Officer Bradfield, please.
Morning to the court, Gary Bradfield, appearing on behalf of probation.
All right.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, sir?
Darius Williams. Darius Williams.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. Officer Bradfield, why are we here today? Is there a violation?
Judge, Mr. Williams has been on probation with our court since June the 3rd of this year. It's an 18-month probation term. Mr. Williams was assessed $1,075. He was ordered to must attend the Victims Impact Panel, must attend and complete alcohol highway safety level 1, shall not use or possess any illegal substance, shall not consume any alcohol, pay all outstanding traffic tickets in full, if any, submit to drug urinalysis 3 times a month. Mr. Williams has responded poorly thus far to probation. I've met with him several times via Zoom, June, July, and as well as most recently, he reported by the phone August 30th. He's been set up for drug testing at Affordable Testing Service in Detroit. He has not tested since being on probation. To my knowledge, he's not paid any money. He's not attending any of the programs. I do have proof that Mr. Williams is employed. It's a pay stub dated on August the 12th. He was employed for McLean Manufacturing and Assembly, making $12 an hour. So he was employed. So I'm not sure what Mr. Williams his motivation or lack thereof. We wanted to update the court today on what's going on with Mr. Williams.
Counsel, I had to mute you for a second because there was some feedback. But would you like to speak on behalf of your client for a moment?
Well, he's basically going to speak for himself, but my client is employed, but he takes the buses, and the time he gets home in the evening, it's 11 o'clock at night. And he says he's not trying to avoid. It's just with him working, he hasn't done it. So if he has anything to add, do you want to talk to the court, Mr. Williams, about what's going on?
Yes, pretty much. Like the councilman stated, I do get home sometimes around 1 o'clock on the bus. I have to leave out early in the mornings, around like 9:30, be out the house at the bus stop by 10 just to make it to work. I don't have no problems with complying. I tried to do the class, but the class cut into me on my work, and they have us working Monday through Saturday. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I've been trying to just gather everything. I've been going through a divorce. I'm trying to do everything. I'm paying my uncle to stay here. I go buy my own food. I'm trying to get ahead of this the best way I can.
Now, the problem is, Mr. Williams, is that you drove while your blood alcohol level was 0.17 or more, and they lowered it to a operating while visibly impaired. So you was messed up driving on the city streets. And so I can appreciate that you're working and you're taking the bus, but that also frustrates me because now it's like, well, what do? Do you want to do weekends in jail instead of probation?
No, ma'am.
Because you got to do like, you ain't done nothing. Like he didn't even come in here and say, you know what? He tested one time. He tested twice or something. He's having a trouble getting to the testing center 3 times a month, but he's tested at least once every month. So I know he's trying. You ain't done nothing. So since June, when they lowered this, not because typically, and I'm telling you this, because typically they lower it to operating while impaired, and not operating while, they lower it to an operating while intoxicated, not an operating while visibly impaired from a high BAC. So I'm telling you, they've taken it down 2 levels. So for you to come back from June, July, August, September, October, that's 5 months. And you've just been like working, which I can appreciate, but you haven't done anything else. So it's like, so have you paid something? Did you pay $25 at least?
No, I can. Like I said, it's just been kind of hard on me. I'm not making no excuses. I'm not to be in your courtroom like that. It seems bad, and I know it's bad. I just been trying to juggle a whole lot. It's no excuse.
Attorney Bradfield, what are we requesting today? I mean, officer, I'm sorry, I always want to call you an attorney. Officer Bradfield.
Well, we want to find out, is Mr. Williams serious about doing the probation and not making any excuses and getting this done?
Mr. Williams?
It's going to get done from here on out, sir.
When can you make a payment of some sort?
I can make a payment Friday.
Okay, so I need you to make a payment on Friday. Now, you have a good chunk of time to be on probation, so you don't have to do everything all at once, but you may have to take a day off of work. I know it's tight, but you may have to take a day off of work in a couple of months so you can complete one of these classes. You may just have to do it, or take a half a day or something so that you can complete. Take your time. Everything doesn't have to be done at once, but they have to see that you are working towards it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I'm making exceptions, and I promise, if I take your testing down to once a month and you don't show up that once a month, I promise, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna make you do it every single week.
Oh, trust me, Your Honor. That's all I'm asking for.
Okay.
At least once a month. I can.
I'm doing testing once a month. No testing positive for anything. okay?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, Mr. Williams, you still have to complete the VIP panel, the alcohol safety panel. He is meeting with you at least, Officer Bradfield, though.
Yes, he is reporting, Judge, by phone, and we're talking by email
All right, so he is reporting, so he didn't just abscond. So
and Zoom.
I'm giving you some leniency, Mr. Williams.
Thank you, Your
But
Honor. I truly-
in a month, Officer Bradfield, if he hasn't made any payments towards this, if he missed the testing for that month, I want you to do a probation violation, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Williams, that means I'm gonna put you for the weekend in jail. I'm gonna let you know right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
I can make you miss work on the weekdays, but I'm gonna make you report to the jail for the weekend to let you know how serious I am about you completing this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So testing down once a month. He still has to complete every single other term and condition that you have set forward. He has to start making some payments on this cost and fines. I don't care how much it is, you need to start making some type of payment. I know you're not gonna be able to come in there with thousands of dollars, but you need to pay something. It sounds like you have a lot going on. I can understand that. So I just need to see you making some effort, because that's what all Officer Bradfield is asking, that you make some effort.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, violation is gonna equal, and if you violate after that, I'm gonna put you in the drug treatment court program. And let me tell you, if you think this is hard,
Oh, I've heard it's way harder.
it's way harder, okay? So do this, Mr. Williams. You showed up today, you've been in communication. I believe you're sincere. Now, the only way for me to know that you're sincere is by you actually following through with what you need to do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna continue him on probation right now. If he needs additional time, Officer Bradfield, I know it's for 18 months, but we need to take it slow so that he can make sure he can make okay payments, not lose his housing, not lose his employment, and be able to find time to complete all the things. We can extend it a little bit. I don't mind doing that because I'd rather him do it slow and steady and keep everything together than to rush it and then he falls, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams, I'm giving you a month to do at least one testing and to pay some money on this. And if not, you're gonna be violated, okay?
Judge,
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, if I may add, also on June 3rd, restitution was to be determined. I'll be reaching out to the prosecutor in regards to this. Mr. Williams hit a McDonald's sign on the offense date. So that's still pending, Judge.
Okay, all right, well, we'll keep it out there since he hasn't been participating, I'll keep it open for a little bit more time. But if we don't hear anything back and he's making some good progress, well, then I'll just set it at 0. They'll have to find another way to go about getting the money.
Thank you, Judge.
If they want. Okay, all right, Mr. Williams, good luck to you. I hope not to see you back in a month. That's my goal.
Oh, you will not, Your Honor. Trust me, you'll hear good things.
All right, that's what I want to hear, Mr. Williams. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Good luck to you, Mr. Williams, and take care of this business so that you don't have to be bothered.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Is he coming back, Judge, within 30 days or?
So only do it if he violates.
Okay,
So if he
understood.
violates, then do it and we'll set up a time, but if he doesn't violate, just keep him going.
Okay, Judge. All right, Judge. Have a great day.
You too, thank you so much. All right,
Thank
Mr. Williams, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, and
You're
good,
welcome.
have a good day.
I will, you too, thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. Attorney Cole, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, I'm going to be setting some trial dates today.
Okay. All right. On Mr. Land's case, and then on, what about Attorney Faulkner's case? 2 problems?
Yes, both of those are the marijuana facilities.
Who's your client, Attorney Land?
Frederick Wells, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me get him out. Mr. Frederick Wells?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter.
ma'am.
You can hear me? I'm gonna call your tickets, okay? Your attorney is here, and so is the attorney for the state of Michigan, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Frederick Lester Wells. This is ticket number 358678, one count operating illegal marijuana facility, a social club. Ticket number 284283, one count operating unlicensed marijuana facility. And ticket number 358632, one count operation of marijuana facility without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with the state attorney, please.
Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wells, who's present on the screen by phone, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Wells, can you state your name for the record, please?
Who? Me?
You, sir, yes.
Frederick Lester Wells.
How are we proceeding today, Attorney Cole?
Your Honor, I did make an offer to Attorney Land that I would dismiss two if he pled to one, but unfortunately, these tickets are a $10,000 fine per ticket.
Okay.
So I'm assuming that he would want to proceed to trial on these three tickets.
Is that right, Mr. Land?
Let me ask you something. Can we go in the waiting room? This is all new to me. I received a text, email saying it was 3 tickets and not 2. So this is all new information. So yeah, we probably need to go to the breakout room.
All right. We'll go off the record for a moment,
Okay.
Attorney Cole and Attorney Land. I'll put you in a breakout room just so you can briefly talk about it, okay?
Thank you.
You're
I sent an
welcome.
email. Maybe you didn't see that.
I didn't see the email now. Okay.
Oh, you didn't see the email.
Put you in
Okay.
breakout room number 2, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, of course. Mr. Wells, just hold tight, okay? They need to talk for a moment.
Okay.
She left me. I didn't know what she was gonna do with,
I think she said she needs to set it for a trial. So did you need to run in there and talk to him and I'll bring him out or her out?
no, Clarence Williams. Yeah, I'll go ahead. I'll bring him out. Let me talk to him real quick and then,
Yep. Go talk to him real quick and then out. She said she needs to set the same thing for him.
okay.
Okay.
That's, Clarence Williams.
He's in room 3.
Yes, ma'am. We're ready to get a trial date, Your Honor.
She wasn't signing. She was signing. You gotta get it connected to audio. All right.
No, she didn't even call the court. She didn't sign it.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Clarence D'Angelo Williams. This is ticket 357408. This is one count operation of a marijuana facility without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Clarence Williams.
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea, waives his right to a jury trial and requests a bench trial date.
Sir, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of fact. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for January 24th. January 24th, 2023, 9 a.m. It is gonna be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're gonna zoom in for your trial. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. I'll see you January 24th, okay?
Yes. Yes, appreciate you.
No problem. Have a great day, Mr. Williams, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Did you get the offer for Watkins? Because I have 2 police officers here for you.
We got 2 police officers on Watkins. Okay, well, let's see
Yes,
what the offer
Adele
is.
is not on, but he signed in, and we have Officer Lord here as well.
Okay, that was for, let's see. That was Watkins. Okay, let's see what I have, Judge.
The new ticket is just the right. You got a printouts, right? Right. Printouts are always new tickets, right? And then all the old tickets, the ones on the docket today are just the. So I'll just call these.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and talk to him, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. I printed them out, so I can have it. You did. Yes, please. Yeah, no show. Are y'all ready on your matter?
Yes.
Providence, right? You just signing in?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room until we can find out why you're so tardy. Hold on. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Frederick Wells. That's ticket 358678, one count operating illegal marijuana facility. Ticket 284283, operating unlicensed marijuana facility. And ticket 358632, operating a marijuana facility without a license. Appearances once more for the record, starting with APA code, please.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Again, Your Honor, Attorney Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wells.
Mr. Wells, you're still on the line with us, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you state your name once more, please?
Frederick Lester Wells.
You've had an opportunity now, councils, to talk in a breakout room. Did we come to some type of decision about everything today?
Yes, it's my understanding that Attorney Land would like a jury trial. I'm not sure if he has rejected my offer at this point, and he would like to have a jury trial on each ticket.
Okay, all right.
Is that correct, Attorney Land? I should have let
That
you
is
speak.
correct. And it's not APA code, Your Honor. I just believe that this is very unreasonable, but yes, I'm requesting a jury trial on each ticket, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I'll do is I don't have any jury trial dates for next year.
Okay.
So I'll bring you back for a pre-trial date on January 11th. January 11th, 23 at 8:30 a.m. Hopefully I will have jury trial dates. Let me put his name on my list. People who need jury trials. So you're gonna be looking for 3 separate trials, you said?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right.
And Your Honor, so you know, we are going to continue discussing this matter.
That's fine. That gives you some additional time to discuss this matter. Although it's been on my docket for a while, I'm gonna let it stay because I don't have any jury trials. So, all right. I'm gonna say his bond should be continued. It's already at $0 personal. We're gonna continue the bond. I think the only ticket that doesn't have a bond on it is ticket number 284283, and that's because that's the newest ticket of the bunch. And so the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf and enter a $0 personal bond on that ticket as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back on January 11th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. for a pre-trial. Hopefully I'll have some jury trial days by then.
Thank you so much.
We both, just for the record, we both have some motions we need to file. So should we have them filed by that date?
Yes, if we want to have, we can make that the motion hearing date as well.
That'd be great.
So if it's gonna be a motion hearing date, let me do it at, 10 a.m. Does that work for you, Attorney Land?
It does, Your Honor.
That's
Okay.
great.
APA code, that'll give you a little time to get rid of some stuff in the morning.
Thank you.
Okay. So we'll do it at 10 a.m. for a motion hearing. So we'll have, I need y'all to have enough time to have stuff filed. Let me go look at the calendar. Who's gonna write the first motion? Is it gonna come from defense or from a prosecutor?
I think from the prosecution.
Okay. All right. So prosecution, I'm gonna have your items due no later than February, oh no, December the 2nd.
I mean, when I'm ready.
Response by the 9th, Attorney Land, to give her enough time. That gives you a week. Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes.
Okay.
And Your Honor, can you just make them reciprocal so that, because I'm gonna file a motion, we can do it on the same day, if that's fine.
Okay, so just do it on the 2nd, and any response that's needed can be by the, I'll give y'all a little extra time. We could do that Monday, the 12th, December the 12th.
Oh, that'd be good. That would be good.
Yeah, so file on the 2nd, responses due on the 12th, and the hearing will be on January 11th. That way you don't mess up the holiday season if you celebrate.
Thank you.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Your Honor, and discovery is open.
It is.
Discovery
So
is still open.
discovery will remain open. If you want written motions from the court, just please submit them to the email. If you need our phone number, so you can
No, I
get
have
it,
it. Thank you.
313-965-2293. give
Thank
you an
you.
email address. I'll sign it and give it to both of you so that you can see it for reciprocal discovery.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Everyone stay safe. Always a pleasure, Your Honor.
You too, same here. Thank you so much. Good seeing you.
All right.
All right. Attorney Cole, we handled the other matter. He has a trial date on January 24th.
23.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you, Mr.
welcome.
Faulkner.
Okay,
That's
Paula.
Clarence Williams. So he has that date. He just has a single ticket under that same thing.
The 20, you said the 23rd, right? I'm just.
24th, I think she
Okay,
said.
20. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And happy anniversary, Mr. Faulkner.
Thank you.
Mr. Watkins, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Brandon Jules Watkins. This is ticket number P 1198728, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1139655, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number P 1079905, one count. Yes, one count, 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Ticket number P 1079845. This is count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1260808, count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Ticket number 3 on this is no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1260828, one count, drove while license suspended. The remaining tickets are tickets that weren't originally on this docket. They were scheduled for hearings on January 24th of 2023, but they have been made a part of the plea, so I'm going to read them into the record. That will be ticket number SP 1377914, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1377980, count 1, disregard traffic control device. Ticket number SP, count 2 on that same ticket, I apologize, insufficient or defective headlight. Also calling SP 137794143, no valid registration certificate, and SP 137798003, one count registration and or plate violation, no plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Brandon Watkins.
Your Honor, there is an offer that my client would plead guilty to one charge on 1198728, count 1, and plead responsible on 3 other tickets listed on the offer, with one of them reduced to improper plates. My client would accept the offer, plead guilty on 1, responsible on 3.
Is that right, sir? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And we do, for the record, have Officer Lord on with us, as well as Officer Spadell did call in. Officer Lord, would you like to state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Jason Lord, badge 4540.
Thank you
And
so much.
Here with Officer Spadell as well. He's in another courtroom.
Okay, all right. And he did call the court this morning to check in with us, so I am aware that he is in Judge Deborah Bledsoe Ford's courtroom this morning as well. Mr. Watkins, if you want to take advantage of this, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, sir. See, freeze up. All right. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention first back to the date of May 11th of 2021. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Schoolcraft and Greenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Also looking at ticket number P1139655. Sir, I want to take your attention back to that same area, Greenfield and Schoolcraft, but this time on December 14th of 2020. Were you driving a Kia vehicle in that area, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you have did it have tinted windows on it at that time that were beyond the tint of the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then also, and I do apologize, going back to that same date of May 11th in the area of Schoolcraft and Greenfield on that Ford vehicle, did you not have any insurance on that vehicle as well?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And then reading from the ticket that on the date of August 11th, 2022, in the area of Plymouth and Bond Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Watkins was driving a Ford vehicle that had no valid registration. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates for no insurance misdemeanor, 1 count of drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, 1 count tinted windows, and 1 count no valid registration certificate. All right. So the fine for no valid registration certificate is $90. Okay. And on the tinted windows, it's $165. We took off the late fee, but it's a reinstatement fee with that one. Okay. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay them. Is that going to be enough time for just that portion of the fines? It's going to be $255.
Well, I just started back to work, Your Honor. Can I get a little bit more time?
How much time do you need?
I'll say like a month, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm gonna make those due no later than November 28th, 2022. I am going to give you an additional fine because you had so many tickets. And I understand, Mr. Watkins, that you felt like you needed to keep driving, but you kept driving and kept getting pulled over. So you had all these additional tickets after you had these other tickets.
I know, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm going to charge you an additional $200 on one of the tickets. I'm going to waive the cost and fines on the other ticket only because I know that you're going to have some reinstatement fees. And you probably have some old tickets too, Mr. Watson, don't you?
Yes.
Mr. Watson, you got to take care of all this. I'm going to make this additional $200 due on February 27th. Okay. So that gives you a little bit of time. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
okay.
In order to get your license back, you're going to have to pay these reinstatement fees. And you probably have a few of them, just so you know. So pay the fines first and then work on trying to pay back everything else that you have, okay?
Okay.
So I charged you a total of $455 today.
Okay.
But it's probably some additional money. I'm just letting you know, Mr. Watkins, so don't call my court talking about something. I thought it was only $455. It's not only $455, okay?
Okay.
All right, but that took care of all your tickets, including the one in January, okay?
Okay.
All right. So if there's nothing further, don't come back. If you
No,
can.
Your Honor. And can you said January 26th to pay the one ticket and then February 24th, you said?
I did not say January, but would you like a January date on the first set of tickets?
Yes.
Okay. January 26th, okay?
Okay.
That gives you time since you just started working. But don't pick
Yes,
up
ma'am.
new cases because all you're gonna do is get more tickets. I'm gonna have to give you more fines.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Watkins, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day. All right, so I have a Jerome left and Moore. Did you get the office for them?
Well, I got more. I'm gonna go see him right now.
All right, I'm gonna talk to Mr. Wright.
My breakout room is empty, except for, no, here, Wilmot Moore. I
One
got
and
him.
6, yeah, 1 and 6.
Okay, I see it now. Okay, Yana.
Providence, Wright,
Yes,
why were you late to court this morning?
because I just got out of the hospital, Your Honor, about a month ago. I just went back to see my doctor a couple weeks ago, and he gave me some strong medicine. And when I took it last night, it kind of kept me asleep this morning.
He's on the first page on the April 35. Oh. Can you start your video, Mr. Wright? You know how to do that? I'm asking you to do it right now. Okay. Sir, do you have your license yet?
Yes, I have my license.
I'll put you into what's called a breakout room. When Attorney Faulkner gets in there, you need to be able to show him your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna put you into breakout room number 2, okay? Join the room.
All right.
Your Honor, requesting a waiver trial on Mr. Moore.
All righty. Now calling the matter of People versus Wilmot Moore. This is ticket number SP 1326071. One count of offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Wilmot Moore.
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea, waives his right to a jury trial, requesting a bench trial date.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Moore, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, Mr. Moore?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of January 24th. January 24th, that is 2023. It's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. That will be via Zoom. So, sir, the same way you logged in today, use that same login information, and I'll see you January 24th. January 24th at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Moore.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. On Mr. He signed in kind of late. Mr. Province, right? You can talk to him last. He needs, it's just, he said he has his license now, but he also has a drive on registered motor vehicle. If he has his registration, just look at it for the court.
Okay. Right now I still have Yaret, Jerome.
You can go to him first, please, because he's been here longer.
Okay. Mary,
Yes.
on Jerome Yaret, or however how you pronounce it. The offer has a U ticket, has a U ticket on it, and he doesn't have the U ticket on the sheet, on the docket, and I have no idea what it is.
It's smoking on bus.
Smoking on bus? That's
Yes.
the U ticket? Okay, let's see. You smoking.
It was on October 30th, 2019. He was observed lighting up on the back of the bus.
Is that against the law?
It says posted signs, no smoking on the bus.
There's also marijuana that is.
Oh, and it was marijuana that he was smoking, so you can't smoke marijuana in public.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
let's see now. Where was I? we're ready to proceed on, Mr. Is it Uriet? How you
Uriel.
pronounce your last name, sir?
You're real.
Okay, thank you. We're ready, Your Honor.
They need to leave him alone.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jerome Urell. This is U ticket 548702191. One count smoking on buses prohibited. Ticket number P1102964. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 11446542. No insurance misdemeanor. SP 11446543. Driver's license never acquired. And ticket number 712451. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
I'll talk to the representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Jerome Uriel.
Your Honor, on the U ticket, my client would tender a plea of no contest. He does not remember the incident and cannot testify to the facts, but he accepts it. And they also plead on the improper plate ticket. With the rest to be dismissed.
Is that right, Mr. Urell?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Okay.
Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a no contest plea on one of the tickets?
No, ma'am.
And for a regular plea on the other ticket, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. No one threatened you, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you pleading no contest of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking a no contest plea, you won't be making any factual basis or statements on the record, but it will be treated like a plea for all, a guilty plea for all purposes? You understand that, Mr. Urell?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, and not counsel, I apologize. And do you understand that by taking this no contest plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters on the docket today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this no contest plea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And counsel, can you state the basis for the record, please, for the no contest?
Lack of recollection, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of, this is U ticket 548702191, on the date of October 30th of 2019, on a bus that was driving in the area of Warren and I-75 in the city of Detroit, Mr. Urell was observed lighting up what considered was a marijuana cigarette on the back of the bus. Satisfied, counsel, with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Urell, reading from the ticket, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 5th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Connor and Claire Point in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, no car insurance?
No car insurance.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a no contest plea to the smoking on a bus when prohibited, and enter a plea to no insurance misdemeanor amended to improper plates. Sir, the fine, okay, so the no contest plea is under what's called a 6-month delay sentence. What that means, sir, is that as long as you pick up no new tickets like this one in the next 6 months and you pay the fine I give you, that case is going to be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
So you'll come back in for a review and I'll dismiss that case. I'm going
And
to fine you $240. You can't be on buses lighting up cigarettes and stuff, sir.
I swear, like, not
He
to
accepted,
swear,
Your
but
Honor,
like,
but he,
I did not. I'm thinking somebody probably used my name or something because I'm like, what the heck?
Hey, today, if that's the case. All right, I'm gonna leave you be.
Yeah. That case will never happen
sir,
again.
that's okay. You've said enough.
Hold on, what's your date of birth?
0128-1999.
One second.
So maybe his father's same name.
Does your father have the same name as you?
I really don't claim him, but I am a junior.
You said what? You gotta repeat that.
Said I really don't claim him. Like I didn't like grow up with him, so it's like I did.
Mr. Uriel, I asked you a very specific question, right? I said, does your
Yes.
father have the same name as you?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what year he was born in?
I don't know nothing about him now.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay.
Okay.
Different birthday, Your Honor.
It is. So that's why when he said that, I looked on the ticket, but I needed you, I understand, Mr. Uriel, that might be a sensitive spot for you, but I needed the answer because the name is the same as yours, okay?
Okay.
Has to withdraw the plea on the U ticket, Your Honor.
The court's gonna allow you to withdraw the plea on the U ticket. Give me 1 second. All right, you're welcome. At this time, the court is going to withdraw the plea on ticket number U5487021 at this point in time, sir, okay? So we're just gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining tickets, P1102964, count 1, SP 11446542, 2 and 3, and 207124551 are going to be dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I can actually go pay it right now. Like once I get off here.
Okay, give us a day though, okay? All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case. That's gonna be November 28th, 2022 that is due. Now, let me tell you this, sir, it looks like you may have some cases in default that wasn't included in this 200 today, okay?
Yeah, I actually like, can I say something?
Yes,
I actually tried to pay like every last one of my tickets and I did, but I paid it on the card and I just didn't attend to court. So that's the only thing that I had to say.
Right, because you have to do misdemeanors. You have to actually come to court to do misdemeanors. That's why. Okay, you can't just pay for those online. Let me see something real quick. How much did you pay the court, Mr. Uriel?
When I paid with the credit card?
Yes.
think it was something like $900,000 or something like that.
$900, not $900,000.
No, it was like 900 or like 1,000 and something. I forgot, but yeah.
Oh.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do today, Mr. Yarrell. I'm going to waive the cost of fines on this ticket. You still have 3 reinstatement fees that you need to pay, okay? In order to apply for your license, those are $45 a piece. You can't waive those, so you just have to pay them, okay?
Can I pay it today?
You can actually, after we finish this, you can go online and pay those tickets for the reinstate. Just look what you have open. It's a couple of fees, like some warrant fees. The court's gonna waive your warrant fees, but you're still gonna have to pay those reinstatement fees, and then you'll be taken care of, at least for Detroit, okay?
Okay, I don't
will
have,
see that you paid almost $800, it looks like that, I can see, okay?
yeah, I don't have no credit card money. I got like all cash, so I'm gonna have to go down to 36.
Yeah, you can physically come down to 36 District Court and take care of that, okay?
Okay.
All right, there you go, Mr. Yarrell. Good luck to you. I want you to have your license, and I feel like that's what you're trying to do, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure.
get your license.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, sir, okay?
I apologize for not in front.
What you say, Attorney Faulkner?
Oh, I was going to say, I want to apologize to Jerome for not inquiring further on that smoking ticket. Because
it's okay. I'm sorry.
That's sort of my fault. I apologize. Always the best way to go. So you straightened me out today, and I appreciate that myself. So I learned something.
Okay.
Listen, thank you. Sometimes you can't speak up for yourself. I'm sorry about that too, but.
And I tried to shut him up, but he you're lucky you have the judge you do, because she's the one that spotted it, not.
Well, their driver's license numbers are very similar as well, Attorney Faulkner, like extremely similar.
Yeah.
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 Okay. All right. Good luck to you, sir. All right. Get your license back.
Thank you so much. I'm on my way down there right now.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Can you give us a moment to put it in? So maybe you could. Can you talk to Mr. Providence, right, and see if he has his documents, Attorney Faulkner?
On the let's see where I'm looking it up on the docket. They only had one.
I know he had a ticket and warrant status though, so I I have that one, and that one was on. Excuse me.
The one on the sheet is no operator's license. What was the other?
Right. The other one is drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. That was from July 21st of 2021. It was a Chrysler vehicle. It looks like it's the same Chrysler vehicle.
Okay, let me go
Like
in
Town
there.
and Country.
Okay. Is John in the room?
Talk here. Yeah.
Mr. Providence Wright. He has a license, but the registration of the car was stolen. And he does not have a registration. He does not have another car. He's not driving.
Does he have? So was it registered at the time of the theft? He just doesn't have the proof anymore? Is that the issue?
No.
Then, I mean, I guess.
I mean, the guy had his car stolen, you know, give.
Thank you very much. Let's see here. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting Angel and Dimitri.
Yes.
Very
Does
nice.
he, did he show you proof that the vehicle was stolen, like a police, did he file a police report or anything?
I didn't ask. Do you want it?
Okay.
You want me to ask him?
Yeah, if he does, that would be helpful. If I can verify that it was stolen, I'll dismiss his registration.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Whose jersey do you have, Judge? Who's the back?
Hamilton.
Oh, rip.
John?
Go ahead, Jim.
Yes.
The title of the car or the truck was in the truck when it was.
Of course.
Stolen. The police one didn't have a title, I take the report, and that's where it stands. I believe him.
Okay, we'll take his word for it today. It's his lucky day.
Okay. Should I bring him out, Judge, or no? Judge disappeared on me here. I'll bring him out.
You can bring him up.
Okay.
I can't do this today.
That's the one, I think he knows it's a dismissal. so.
What is probably a sour jelly punch? And I want to show my
Okay.
and what other and see what other treats y'all have.
Just so you know, the other day I said, "Do you want my pumpkins?" And she said, "Nah, I don't want none of your pumpkins."
Now I'm supposed to
I'm
stop
gonna
her.
too.
I'm supposed to stop her from the Skittles. Yeah, you know you don't. You don't have to do
You don't have
that.
I'm just- She just playing.
Yeah. I gotta still going. I'm so sorry.
I couldn't get Mr. Wright out. If someone could bring him out for me.
She's down with me.
Okay.
See you later.
See you later.
Mr. Providence, right?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Providence, right? This is ticket 413164. Count one, no operator's license permit. Also calling ticket number P1222529. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Providence Wright.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the city wishes to dismiss both matters with no objection.
All right. Seeing that the city wishes to dismiss both matters, the court's going to grant that request and dismiss them without prejudice. Good luck to you, sir. Make sure you always have everything on you at all times, okay?
Okay.
All right. That concludes this hearing. You're all set, Mr. Wright.
All righty.